In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best drones for beginners. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these drones, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Altair AA108. With tons of user-friendly features, the Altair AA108 has a special place in drone enthusiasts' hearts. It's essentially the upgraded version of the company's original drone that was a major success. It improves upon it with various speed modes, headless steering, the ability to hold altitude, and some video and photo features, the impressive battery life, and exceptionally stable hover. Let's dive deeper into the Altair AA108's easy controls and countless features. Beginner and skilled users will be delighted with its increased flight time. The Altair AA108 drone has improved upon its original design and now boasts a flight time of 15 minutes. It has really no competition in terms of battery life. Only drones in high price points have better battery life than this. That amount of flight time is provided by just one battery, so you get more time with your new toy, about 30 minutes with a full charge. The Altair AA108 comes with a 720p wide-angle high-density camera that can shoot images from higher and further in the air. Combined with its long battery life, this means you'll capture quality content like a breeze. Furthermore, this drone has altitude hold mode to make it even easier to shoot videos or photos. Taking off and landing drones is a nightmare for new users, as it can prove very difficult to grasp the controls and it can get overwhelming at first and take away the fun of your first few sessions. However, the Altair AA108 has a one-button takeoff and landing feature, making it a beginner favourite. Moreover, the Altair AA108 has alarm systems that provide sound and light alerts if the device gets out of range or is low on battery. On top of that, the device will land itself automatically before its battery runs out to prevent disastrous crashes. Another interesting feature is the heading hold flight mode. The drone is always set to the side facing away from you, meaning that winds will not upset your drone and will allow you to better control it. With a competitive price and its countless features, the Altair AA108 is the way to go if you don't want to be bothered with complex controls. At number 4, it's the Altair AA108. Branded by Altair spokespersons as the perfect all-skill levels drone, the AA108 is the best drone for starting out and for experienced pilots as well. Their claims have held up, and it's especially a great drone for beginner drone enthusiasts with its tons of easy-to-use controls and a combination of features that'll make it a joy for every skill level. The device will come in a cool white and blue box that contains the drone and its accessories, which include the fully assembled drone with 4 propellers, 2 3.7-volt LiPo batteries, the USB charging cable, memory card reader, 4 extra propellers as well as the installation kit for them, and a screwdriver. Plus, there's also 4 extra foot guards and a direction book that'll help you grasp the basic and more advanced controls. You have to download the Flying C mobile app on your phone, turn on the drone, connect to the Wi-Fi, and just push a button on the drone. After that, you'll have full access to the drone and camera controls. Despite having a small size that's designed to be used indoors and outdoors, the drone provides tons of fun and is a blast to fly indoors in tiny apartments and whatnot. It's interesting to see that the drone didn't go crashing straight into walls and furniture, showcasing its great maneuverability in tight spaces. It's pretty pleasing to fly the drone outdoors as well, where it gives you access to its full set of features. It's very versatile with its manual and automatic takeoff and landing, and the first-person flying via the smartphone app was a blast to use. Besides these, it has similar features to the aforementioned Altair AA108, like the heading hold mode for beginner, 3 speeds, double batteries. However, it doesn't provide the same battery life as the Altair AA108. The Altair AA108 has prop guards that protect the drone when accidents happen. It was interesting to see that this lightweight and inexpensive drone takes those kinds of hits like it was nothing. To conclude, I'd like to state that this is the perfect drone if you're a beginner and want to take things step by step. At number 3, it's the Dji Telo Quadcopter. The DJI Telo Quadcopter is a very interesting drone with an amazing price and tons of features by the tried and tested DJI manufacturing and the rising talents and bright minds at Rise. This partnership has brought us the Telo Quadcopter with decent flight time and no compromise on quality or features, and the DJI Telo Quadcopter is an amazing drone. It's very interesting to see that even an absolute beginner will gain confidence quickly with the DJI Telo. You can control the drone via its smartphone app or via its remote control, which is sold separately. Interestingly, the device provides tons of fun for experienced pilots as well. Most drones in the Telo's price range provide a lackluster battery life from 5 to 7 minutes. Fortunately, Telo provides 13 minutes of flight time, providing you tons of fun and letting you enjoy the experience for longer without charging breaks, which would most of the time ruin the experience. Interestingly, the drone features a 5-megapixel camera with an 82.6-degree field of view and is capable of shooting 720p video at 30 frames per second. On top of that, the 14-core Intel processor provides exceptional footage on the move and while stable. It has electronic image stabilization for less blur and enhanced picture in motion. Furthermore, it features pressure sensor altitude hold, making it very handy while shooting footage as it allows you to focus on the task ahead of flying the drone. On top of that, the pressure sensor of the drone will do the calculations about the altitude during the flight and give you precise and accurate information about it. Moreover, it features one-touch takeoff and landing, a very sensible feature for beginners. It'll also give you alerts when battery is low and when you're getting out of range. And most importantly, the drone will land itself and safely if you run out of battery or if it gets out of range. With a number of other features, the DJI Telo is a decent lightweight drone that is perfect for any skill level, and with its amazing price, it's a bargain. At number 2, it's the Force One F100 Ghost. Until now, in this list, we featured drones with integrated HD cameras. The Force One F100 is a drone without a camera, however, it can accommodate any action camera that you have in hand. Apart from that, the Ghost has countless features for a beginner drone and is built like a tank. Also, when you add the amazing battery life to the mix with its competitive price, it makes it an awesome choice for a beginner drone. The first impression you get from this drone is just how good it looks. It's very stylish and sleek, and it's built for purpose as well. It has tall legs that ensure smooth landing in various terrains and protection for the camera mount that's located under its sturdy body. You can even remove the landing legs of the drone to decrease its weight, which in turn improves its flight time. Also, the brushless motors provide an ultra-silent experience, which is a concern for most beginner drones. Furthermore, the brushless motors provide amazing power and speed. In the performance department, the Ghost is incredible. It has showcased great stability as well as smooth and easy flight controls that are very intuitive. It even provides altitude hold function for easy footage shooting and control, as well as the enhanced 6-axis gyro stabilization system. Its motors provide the drone with 2 speed settings, however it's pretty fast even in the lowest setting and can be a little difficult to control indoors. Outdoors, the drone is amazing thanks to its power and speed. It can even be flown in windy situations up to 20 miles per hour with ease. One would expect that when you attach the camera it would decrease its speed and power, but the drone has performed amazingly in that state as well, not stuttering even for a moment. Setting up the drone is very easy and intuitive, but if you struggle, the included manual provides clear and easy to comprehend instructions. After that, in your first flight, you'll have to synchronize and pair the drone with the remote, and then all that's left for you is to enjoy this amazing drone. And at number 1, it's the DJI Spark. On the top of our list, we have another DJI product. With the Spark, the company is democratizing the market and simplifying complex technology as stated by the brand. This translates to a top-notch device that provides all the features of commercial drones to a consumer drone with its lightweight and small build, ease of use and great image quality. It's not small enough to fit in your pocket, but it is DJI's smallest drone to date. The main body of the device is as big as the palm of your hand, making for easy palm launches that are incredible. You'll barely feel the weight of this drone if you carry it in your backpack. Put together with its durability, you can take this Spark everywhere. The drone comes with both GPS and GLONASS sensors, giving Spark the ability to connect with 24 satellites at once for accurate positioning. Also, there's a 3D infrared sensor camera on the front of the drone for the purpose of avoiding objects. For indoor flying, where there's no GPS or GLONASS available, the Spark has a vision positioning system that has a downward-facing camera and IR sensor. The aforementioned downward-facing camera also records a video, in turn providing footage for the return-to-base landing feature. The 1 2/3 of an inch sensor captures 12 megapixel pictures and 1080p video at 30 fps. Unfortunately, there's no 4K recording available. The lens also is 2-axis stabilized with the third stabilized digitally. The Spark can be controlled via your smartphone with a Wi-Fi direct connection that has a 100-meter range. The app also provides a lot of interesting features, but if you opt for the Fly More combo pack, you get the remote control which provides the fine-tuned controls, a top speed of 50 km an hour and a range of 2 km. The drone has a battery life of 13 minutes, which is a little disappointing. Also, it takes a long time to charge, so buying spare batteries is an attractive option, or buying the Fly More combo pack. To conclude, the DJI Spark is hands down the best beginner drone on the market. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.